In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a habit tracker in Trello using a plugin. If you're looking to organize your personal habits alongside your tasks, Trello provides a fantastic platform to do just that with the help of some handy power-ups. Let's dive in and see exactly how you can create your own habit tracker with ease. First, let's get started by navigating to your Trello board. At the top right corner, you should notice a little rocket ship icon. Go ahead and click on this icon. What you're looking at here is your gateway to power-ups, which are essentially plugins designed by third-party developers to enhance your Trello experience. From here, click on Add Power-ups. This action will bring up a whole marketplace of tools, each with its unique features designed to boost your productivity. Now, in the search bar, type in Streak Habit Tracker from Emma Goto. Once you see the Streak Habit Tracker listed, click the Add button next to it. It might prompt you to authorize its use within Trello. Be sure to go through the authorization process, as this allows the plugin to seamlessly integrate into your Trello board. This aspect is critical because it ensures that Streak can track your habits as intended. With the plugin now successfully authorized, it's time to start setting it up. Begin by opening the specific habit card you want to track. Once within the card's back view, you'll again notice that trusty rocket ship icon towards the bottom. Click on it and select the Streak power-up from the list. Now that you have Streak opened up, you can personalize your habit tracking experience. This involves selecting how many days a week you plan to work on this habit and deciding which day you'd like to start your week. Once you've tailored these settings to match your habits, click Save. On your Trello card, you'll now see a Streak calendar. This is where the magic happens. You can interact with this calendar by clicking on the days when you've worked on your habit, effectively building your habit streak each day. It's a satisfying way to visualize your progress and maintain accountability. And just like that, you've set up your very own habit tracker in Trello. It's a simple yet powerful tool to ensure that you're on top of your personal and professional goals. Keep those streaks growing and watch how it positively impacts your productivity and achievements. Thanks for following along, and happy habit tracking!